everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to 7shifts employee account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser of your choice to get started. In the web address bar, type in app.7shifts.com and press enter. Soon after you end up on this page, enter your email address associated with your account in the first text box. Now, on the next field, type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password, click on this Forgot Password link and follow through the on-screen prompts. After filling in your details, click on the login button to log in and access your employee account for 7shifts. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.